Fighting climate change has been central to my work in the European Parliament, and you'll have heard me referring to it many times. And in 2015, I went to Paris to the conference on climate change, the United Nations conference, where a historic agreement was made. And this week, here in Strasbourg, in the European Parliament, we've passed legislation, draft legislation, that will actually put this into practice so that we keep the promises we made in Paris on issues like carbon emissions, on energy efficiency, on renewable energy, those things that are so important to us in Wales. We've been waiting very, very patiently for a decision on the Swansea tidal lagoon, which would be a world first. But also we have communities in Wales that are really innovative, that have come together to insulate homes, to reduce the costs to all of us of energy bills, to make their homes warmer, more efficient, and to reduce fuel poverty across Wales. And that now is one of the aims in the European Union as well. So I hope this will give us a chance to show the rest of Europe what we have done in communities across Wales, that sometimes we can lead the way as well.